the real sentiments and the heart and the battles which a soldier goes through, you can resonate with it. So we can have a hearty laugh also. Our eyes can get moist also. We can understand कि गीली पूड़ी खाने में 5 दिन कैसा लगता है, 5-6 दिन की मैगी कैसी होती है, which people might not understand, but when you've seen that thing, I think so that kind of life only few people might have lived. What say? Should I ask you a question?
बिल्कुल सर, you're all free.
You tell me your, यानी कि you tell me, do you find that thing?
Very few lucky ones, I would say.
Lucky ones, yeah.
Lucky ones, sir, who have had the guts to go out and
Say,
take it.
yeah.
बाकी तो सोचते रह जाते हैं, सब पीछे रह
हाँ,
करके.
लोग बहुत लोग एकेडमी में वॉलंटियर होते हैं and then when the actual thing comes, so yeah, it's a blessed life, I would say. It's you've chosen the thing. How many hardships are there, but then
मजा आता था.
मजा आता है. Yeah, you remember.
I remember सर, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में तो हमेशा बारिश होती थी.
हाँ, North East they say the terrain. I've never had the opportunity, but then I've heard things especially of your unit, from people around me. And हाँ, मैं North East में भी मैंने volunteer करने की कोशिश की थी.
21 सर.
नहीं, not 21 यानी कि when I was volunteering for 7, I could have, my brother-in-law told I could have volunteered for 4 also and 11 sector. और उन्होंने बोला अगर तेरे को हंटिंग करनी है ना तो 21 में चले जा. बट आई हैड ऑलरेडी सेड माय यस टू 7 पैरा, सो मैंने बोला कि
कमिटमेंट
कि मेरे को नॉर्थ ईस्ट भेज दो, क्योंकि मैंने आगरा के ईस्ट ही कुछ नहीं देखा है. सारा नॉर्थ, ना साउथ है ना वेस्ट है, सारा नॉर्थ ही आगरा का. सो मैंने बोला मेरे को एक बार मणिपुर स्टाफ में ही भेज रहे हो, AQ जहां पर भी आप भेजना चाहते हो. आई एम नॉन PSC गाय. सो मैंने उसको बोला कि मुझे आप असम राइफल का सेक्टर दे दो, मैं मणिपुर वगैरह देख लूंगा जाकर. एंड on top of it, army headquarter, the MS branch posted me to army headquarters, so that's why only one staff tenure was there. And think so the true blue operatives of jungles are you guys only. Yeah, my coastmate was there in 21. Heard from people, because in para brigade your guys used to come for extra regimental EREs, and I used to hear, so I was always intrigued, because I, as an operative, I wanted to operate everywhere. But
Anybody does.
यानी कि you जितना भी आप experience gain कर लो, maybe walking in those terrains would have made me even better operative, I think so. So एक तरफ एक ही थिएटर में रहना, you become master of it. However,
lose out on the, yes sir.